Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get cheap hotels on Priceline with a new feature called Price Breakers. I've seen stuff up to 50% off going through Price Breakers, so it's a great option for your next hotel booking for your next trip. But hey, if you're new here, my name is Ken and this is Northern Viking Explorer. We bring you videos on travel, exploring, and discovery, so make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Let's go ahead and dive right over to my computer and show you Price Breakers on Priceline. All right, so here we are on Priceline.com. If you haven't used Priceline before, I will put a link below in the description so you can easily find it. Now, Priceline works very similar to other hotel booking sites where you put in where you'd like to stay, your dates, and you click find your hotel, and it's going to search thousands and thousands of hotels and find you a great deal on a hotel. Now, that's the more expensive way to book here on Priceline. They've introduced something called Price Breakers. Now, back in the day, they stopped this a couple years back. You used to be able to do something called name your own price, where you would actually be bidding on hotels in certain areas. And we used that many times and got some great deals on hotels. Now, they did get rid of that a year or two ago, but they did introduce something brand new called Price Breakers. And what Price Breakers is they will show you multiple hotels, so 3 hotels in a specific area that you search for, and they guarantee it to be one of those hotels. So they'll show you 3 hotels. It's guaranteed to be one of those hotels at up to 50% off. They don't tell you which hotel it is until after you've paid. So let's go check out Price Breakers here on Priceline. So the first thing you need to do is actually do a search for a hotel. So let's say we want to stay in Seattle. We just start typing in where we'd like to stay. I'm going to do Seattle, and we'll pick some random checkout and check-in dates. So let's say we want to go in May from the 12th to the 14th, and we're just going to hit find your hotel here. And it's going to bring up all sorts of hotels. Now, this would be your most traditional way to book a hotel. It's going to show you normal prices here. So the Courtyard for $144. If you scroll down, the Stay Pineapple for $101, the Hyatt for $125, the other Hyatt for $130. So it's going to show you the traditional way of booking your hotel. You would just click on choose here and pay for that. Now, if you scroll back up to the top here, you are going to see this one right here. It says new. We pick one of these 3, and this is a price breaker right here, but this is only one price breaker. They have a whole list of price breakers that you can go through. So this is kind of a teaser of price breakers, but this one is $85 and there's some great deals on there. But let's go into the price breaker section. So right here near the top where you'd find your filters, there's a new option. It says price breakers right here. It's in bold. Go ahead and click on that. And that's gonna bring up the price breakers section for you. And we'll let that load up. Now, Price Breakers, again, how it works, it gives you 3 hotels and it offers them up to 50% off of retail, and you don't know which one it is. They'll show you 3 hotels that you know the name of. So you pick this option and then you pay for it, and it's gonna let you know which hotel it is after you paid. So if you're not too particular on which hotel you're staying in, this is a great option for you. It's gonna show you exactly where those hotels are located as well. So you know it's in the right area of town. Now let's have a look here at some of these price breakers. For example, this first one here, it's $85. And if you go to the other side, the original way to book on Priceline, these hotels are currently going for $159, $146, and $157. So it's a substantial savings booking with Price Breaker. So in this situation, you would get either the Kimpton Hotel Monaco, the Crown Plaza, or the Kimpton Hotel Vintage Seattle. Now, for example, if I click on this Crown Plaza here, and you can see there's some pictures that come up, you could actually just click here and book this hotel for $146 here on Priceline. But again, that's way more expensive than the option I'm showing you here. So let me just go back. We'll minimize this. The other cool thing is if you click here on the side, you can hit view map, and it's going to show you exactly where those hotels are located in Seattle. So I can see they're all within a couple of blocks of one another and what area they're in. So that would be the first choice. If we keep scrolling down, it's going to give you similar options. So this one's slightly different, but it has the Silver Cloud Hotel, the Crown Plaza, and the Kimpton. If we keep going down, more options. This one is out by the airport here in Seattle. So you'd either get the Holiday Inn Express, the Wingate, or the Sleep Inn. This is $58 for this one, as opposed to $109, $79, or $99. So again, you can look at the map here and see exactly where that's located, and they're all right in the Seattle airport vicinity. And let me just expand one of these. We'll go back to the first one, and we're just going to click on get one of these three. So maybe you wanted to book this first one. You click on this green button here, and what's going to happen, it will show you some pictures of the different hotels here. But if you scroll down, it tells you what amenities you're going to be getting as well. So free internet access, free internet in public areas, handicapped rooms, and non-smoking. And it's got a whole bunch of information for you here. The reviews, so cleanliness, location, staff, dining, etc. And reviews from different people who've stayed there as well. So if that's the one you want to book, just go ahead and click on get one of these three, pay $85. And about Price Breakers, remember that with Price Breakers you get a great discount, but you do not get to pick the exact hotel. You'll see the exact hotel after you pay. So you just want to hit I understand. And it's going to take you to where you would put in all of your information. So you put in your name, your last name there, all your information for your credit card. You can pay with PayPal, or you can actually pay over time as well. So they've got payment plans. They've got billing here, and they give you the total here. So for the 2 nights, we selected $85 plus taxes and fees, $218.98. And you could just go ahead and book that right there and save yourself a ton of money on your next hotel stay with Price Breakers. So hope this video was able to help you get cheap hotels on Priceline with their new category called Price Breakers. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media. You will find all those links below in the description. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, happy travels.